Alright, girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Trace Adkins, I believe, first time here on Growing Guitar. Can't remember, he's been here. Anyway, great voice, great song, and he sings this love song, You're Mine, okay? Very straightforward when it comes to guitar, obviously, guitar friendly. So we're gonna go into this one. I believe we have 6 chords, not too many, and very simple handling of the chords as well. So, yes. Good scenario for us. No need for any capo here, so let's go into the chords and learn them. Starting with G. G goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have D next, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. E minor, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the A sus4, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. Then we have the A, which is exactly the same. Instead of 3rd B, you now have the 2nd B. Everything else is the same. And then finally we have the B minor, which is a bar chord. So place index finger on the 2nd fret, 5 strings if you count from bottom up. That's what you're gonna bar. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. Okay, so first we're gonna learn the strumming pattern. We're gonna do that with G, not G actually. We're gonna go with D instead. I'm gonna tell you why soon. But grab the D and one string around like this. So I'm gonna start with down, up, down, up. Short pause, and then comes up, down, up. So together, down, up, down, up, down, up. Couple rounds. And why we're starting with D, the song starts with G actually, but the D is the bass for that intro we're gonna play. And yes, I was thinking, should I teach you how to play it or not? But then I just played it in the intro, and then of course now I have to teach you how to play it. So the notes will be something like that. So I'm not exact on it, perhaps. It's not necessary as well. 90% is good enough. So something like this. Okay, so I'm gonna play on that E string, the high E. That's where everything happens pretty much. So open to 2nd E. And then from 2nd to open. And then from 2nd to 3rd. And here you need to take your little pinky and place that on 3rd. 2nd from that mid finger to pinky on 3rd. You, through this strumming here, you keep that bass from the D, that 2nd fret G string and 3rd B. You don't touch that. You just play around with that on that E string. Okay, so open to 2nd, 2nd to open, 2nd to 3rd, then 2nd and open. Okay, so and then you have to just play with the strumming here to come as close as possible. It's pretty much impossible to teach you how down and up and every like timing here. You need to listen for it. You have the notes now on that E string, and you work to come as close as possible. So okay, and from now on we're gonna go into the actual song, the first verse, and now you realize the strumming pattern we just learned: down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so we're gonna do that and start with G. You're gonna play G 4 string rounds, then D 4, then E minor 2, A sus 1, and A 1. That is all one chord progression round. You're gonna play 2 rounds. Let's do 1 round together. G, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. E minor, 2, A sus, A. And that's it. 2 rounds of that, and that's the first verse. And then chorus happens about 51 seconds in. I guess everybody, that's where you're on in the lyrics. What you're gonna play here now is G2, E minor 2, D2, B minor 2. Then G2, E minor 2, D2, and G2. Then you have the ending of E minor 2, G1 plus 1 extra down and the pause. And that is the chord progression. I'm going to play through this one. I'm going to speak me while I'm playing, so just follow along. Let's start with G2. E minor, 2, D, 2, B minor, 2, G, 2, E minor, 2, D, 2, G, 2, E minor, 2, G, 1 plus 1 down, and this pause. That is the chorus. After this chorus happens this instrumental part where you're going to play D8 string rounds. And I believe that intro comes here. We play D8 string rounds, or that intro, I believe 2 rounds maybe or so. That could be 4, and then you play 2 rounds of that. That will make up to 8 string rounds. I'm not sure, but yeah, check that one out. You're gonna stay on that D, and that's the first round. Now into the second round of everything. Second verse, just repetition. The same goes with the second chorus. Almost. The end here is a little bit different. So what you're gonna play here now, you're gonna play the G, E minor, G, B minor, G, E minor, D, G, and then the last 2 chords, E minor, G. You play that in the first chorus. You're gonna play now E minor 2. G1 and D1. That is the second ending. Okay, so E minor 2, G1, D1. From there, you're gonna play this second instrumental part, and that will be played with G4 and D4. Okay, that is how you do it. Then after that second instrumental part comes the third chorus, and what you're gonna play here is to play exactly in the same way as you play the first one, with that ending of E minor 2, G1 down, 1 string round plus 1 down, and then you play that outro part where you're gonna stay on that D for 8 string rounds. Again, I'm not sure if that is the intro you can play, or you can just stay on that D. I know you can stay on that D for 8 string rounds. Maybe that translates also into that intro for 2 rounds or so. Check that out. That is the outro, and that is how you handle Trace Adkins, Your Mind. Okay, I don't possess you guys, but I feel a little bit that you're mine if you subscribe to this channel. That would be a nice feeling. So take the moment here and just click on that notification, and yes, hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.